How to make money on Telegram. This video show you how you make money on Telegram.
Hello, it's It Mechanics YouTube channel. If you are new here, press the subscribe button. And make sure that you like our video. Let's go to the video. First go to Botfather and create new bot. You want to know how to do that, go to our channel videos, we made it before. Or you can see what I am doing here. But I didn't give an explanation. So I suggest you to see the previous video. Give a unique username for your bot. Copy the token from Botfather. And go to Menu Builder Bot and press the Add Menu Bot button. And paste the token that you copied from Botfather. If you see bot successfully started, it means that your bot is ready to make money. So press your bot link and fix some necessary things. You can change your language by Arabic, Chinese, Espanol and others. But it's not our topic, so let's focus to the topic. Press the admin button and choose advertisement. Let's tell you how your bot make money. Menu Builder Bot will post advertisements on your bot. And the bot will pay you per advertisement. But before you have to make what I am doing. Don't worry, I will explain it. To make on participate advertisement market, fill the following forms. Unless you can't make it on. First, choose language that ads contain. Next, choose your accepted currencies. For example, I choose Bitcoin and United States dollar. So you will receive money by these currencies.
And rating may restrict your maximum ads rating. Next, press a number of message, and this button make you choose how many advertisement that the bot will be sent per day. I suggest you to choose less message because people's hate much message, so they maybe leave your bot. Now click the minimal message price button to make percentage for your benefit from ads. If you want to get 10% from one ads, you have to send 90. And less percentage will attract more people to make an advertisement on your bot. Finally, press participate in advertisement market to make it on. Now your bot need 500 active user to start advertisement and earn money. Exit advert setting and tab statistic button to see your bot statistic. Here it is, my bot statistic. My bot have one user, I need 499 additional user to start making money. It's all about how to make money on Telegram. I need to notify you to subscribe this channel and like our video. If there is any problem in the video, please send it on a public comment. Bye, see you on the next video.